Bullet English with SKH. Yes. Iman. Iman first. Yes, Iman.
She
सेंटेंस मैं दे रहा हूँ, सेंटेंस मैं दे रहा हूँ. She writes.
she
She writes. लिखती है. She writes. आवाज नहीं आ रही
she
इमान.
writes.
हाँ.
She writes. She does not writes. Does she writes?
एस
She is.
लगेगा ना, एस लगेगा ना. शी डज नॉट राइट. अभी जो मैंने पढ़ाया वो तो सब बेकार था. डज नॉट के बाद हम लगाते हैं, सॉरी यस लगाते हैं ना. शी डज नॉट राइट्स होगा ना, एस लगेगा ना. लगेगा ना. पक्की बात है ना.
Yes sir.
सोच ले. लॉक कर दूं.
नहीं सर नहीं लगेगा.
बहुत शुक्रिया, याद आ गया. दोबारा शुरू करें. शी राइट्स.
She writes. She does not writes. Does she write? She is writing. She is not writing.
जल्दी जल्दी
Is she
जल्दी.
writing? She
यस.
has write. She
रिटर्न
has
रिटर्न रिटर्न.
written. She has written. She has not written. Has she written? She has been written.
She
She
has been
has
writing.
not
She
been
has
written.
been writing. She has been writing.
She has been writing. She has not be writing. Has she be writing? She wrote हो जाएगा सर.
जी, वेरी गुड, माशाल्लाह, गुड. शी रोट.
She wrote a car. Oh sorry.
शी रोट.
She she wrote a right. She wrote. She did not wrote.
She
Did
did
she
not
wrote?
write. She did not write. She did not write. Did she write? First form.
Did she write? She did not write. Did she write? She
Had.
she was writing.
She was
She
writing.
was writing. She was not writing. Was she writing? She had be nahi. She had writing. She had not writing. Had she
She had
writing? She
written.
had been.
She had not written. Had she written? She had been
So
writing.
form change होती गई.
नहीं नहीं, फॉर्म चेंज होगी ना. जब परफेक्ट में आएगी तो थर्ड फॉर्म आएगी. यही तो सिखाया आज. जब प्रोग्रेसिव में तो वर्ब आईएनजी, परफेक्ट में आई तो थर्ड फॉर्म. जब परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव में आई तो शी हैड बीन राइटिंग. शी हैड बीन राइटिंग. चले. अभी अब हफ्सा को सुनते हैं. वेरी गुड ईमान. हफ्सा. हफ्सा. हफ्सा के बाद सना, सना के बाद अनीला, उसके बाद हलीमा. हफ्सा प्लीज टर्न ऑन योर माइक.
हाँ जी सर.
स्टार्ट. आपका योर
सर
सेट. आपका सेंटेंस है दे स्पीक.
they speak. Okay. They speak. They do not speak. Do they speak? They they are speaking. They are not speaking. Are they speaking? They have spoken.
गुड.
They have not spoken.
वेरी गुड.
Have they spoken?
वेरी गुड.
They have been speaking. They have not been speaking.
गुड.
Have have they been speaking? They spoke. They have did not speak. Did they speak? They they were speaking. Uh, they were not speaking. Were they speaking? They had spoken. Had they spoken? Uh, uh, they had not been spoken. Had they spoken? They had been speaking. They had not been speaking. Had they been speaking?
वेरी गुड. जबरदस्त जबरदस्त जबरदस्त. नेक्स्ट अनीला, देन हलीमा, देन इमरा.
Yes, sir.
सेंटेंस यही तो कायनात. यस, आपका सेंटेंस है आई रन. आई रन. सेंटेंस तो हम देंगे लाइव. फिर बात है, मैं एक जुमला दे दूं सबको, वो तो सब बुलेट हो जाएंगे फिर.
I run.
यस यस, गो अहेड. माइक बंद कर दिया आपने. टर्न ऑन योर माइक प्लीज. हलीमा थी, अनीला थी, सना, हलीमा, कौन था?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर.
Yes, start. I run.
I run. I am not run.
I run.
I run. I do not. I does not.
कल लिखकर
I
भेजा
do
था मुझे,
not run.
ईमानदारी से बताया, कल लिखकर भेजा मुझे?
हाँ सर मैंने भेजा आपको लिख के.
और कितने सही थे?
कंफ्यूज हो गया मैं सर. मैंने
अच्छा,
भेजा आपको लिख के. सबसे पहले शायद मैंने भेजा होगा रात में.
चले, अच्छा, थोड़ा आप
आपने तो
कंफ्यूजन
होगा
दूर।
सर. सही सही है शायद.
निब्रा, निब्रा से सुनते आप सुने, अभी साथ ही रहे, मेरे साथ ही रहे। निब्रा स्टार्ट। आई
अच्छा.
रन।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर.
वालेकुम सलाम। स्टार्ट। स्टार्ट। कहाँ चली गई निब्रा?
I do not run.
स्टार्ट निब्रा।
May I start?
यस यस स्टार्ट बेटा। आवाज नहीं आ
I
रही
run.
बेटा। हाँ,
I do not run. Do I run? I am running. सर आवाज आ रही है आपको?
जी जी बेटा, आ रही है आवाज, नहीं आएगी तो मैं चिल्लाऊंगा ना।
Okay
गो
sir.
अहेड।
I am running. I am not running. Am I running? I have run. I haven't run. Have I run? I have been running. I have not been running. Have I been running? I ran. I did not run. I did not run. Did I run? I was running. I was not running. Was I running? I had run. I had not run. Had I run? I had been running. I had not been running. Had I been running?
थैंक यू वेरी मच। बुलेट इंग्लिश थी, बुलेट को, बुलेट बहुत हल्की जा रही है। यस सहलीमा, देन सैयदा सना। सना स्टार्ट।
जी सर. यही वाला.
आपका सेंटेंस है दे स्पीक।
They speak. They speak. They do not speak. Do they speak? They are speaking. They are not speaking. Are they speaking? They had spoken. They had not spoken. Had they spoken? They had been spoken. They had not been. No, sorry. They had been spoken. They had not been spoken. Had they been spoken? They spoke.
सुनना है अभी, और सुनना है अभी, और सुनने की जरूरत है, सुने अभी और सुनना है। मुनीबा, 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 मुनीबा from
Yes,
Tomatoes.
sir.
Muniba, your sentence is I use cell phone. I use cell phone. बाइक बंद नहीं करे बेटा अपना, बाइक से बस खोल दिया तो हाथ उंगली हटा ले बस। सब अपने बाइक खोल देते हैं। मुनीबा अपना बाइक ऑन कर ले, बाइक ऑन कर ले मुनीबा अपना। टर्न ऑन योर बाइक मुनीबा। अनीला स्टार्ट। अनीला, I use cell phone.
Yes, sir.
I use cell phone.
I use cell phone. I do not use cell phone. Do I use cell phone? I'm using cell phone. I'm not using cell phone. Am I using cell phone? I have used cell phone. I have not used cell phone. Have I used cell phone? I have been using cell phone. I have not been using cell phone.
Yes,
Am I
yes.
been using a cell phone? Uh, I used cell phone. I did not use cell phone. Did I use cell phone? I'm I was using cell phone. I was not using cell phone. Was I using cell phone? I had used cell phone. I had not used cell phone. Had I used cell phone? I had been using cell phone. I had not been using cell phone. Had I been using cell phone?
दैट्स ग्रेट, दैट्स ग्रेट। बुलेट इंग्लिश को आप लोगों ने बना दिया है, कुछ और बुलेट की जगह नया नाम लिखना पड़ेगा इसका। सो आप लोग मुझे रिकॉर्ड करके नादिया चकवाल से भी सुन लेते हैं। नादिया से फास्ट चाहिए, फास्ट ट्रैक पे। कल मतलब आए ना तो एकदम बुलेट हो। अब आप उसको लिखे, सेंटेंस में भी आपको दे रहा हूँ जो सेंटेंस के ऊपर आपको बनाना है। शी टीचर्स, शी टीचर्स। जैसे अभी मैंने एक सुनवाया था, मेरे पास अभी एक और भी आया है एक बच्ची का। गया शायद उसने यही भेजा।
She does not teach. Does she teach? She is teaching. She is not teaching. Is she teaching? She has taught. She has not. Has she taught? She has been. She has been teaching. She has not been teaching. Has she been teaching? She taught. She didn't teach. Did she teach? She was teaching. She was not teaching. Was she teaching? She had taught. She had not taught. Had she taught? She had been teaching. She had not been teaching. Had she been teaching?
और ये इन्होंने बोला है 24 सेकंड्स में। अब देखते हैं कि 23 सेकंड्स में कौन बोलता है। ठीक है ना। सेंटेंस मैंने आपको दे दिया, शी टीचर्स, शी टीचर्स। सुल्ताना इकबाल हाथ उठा रही है, सुल्ताना को भी मौका देते हैं और नादिया को भी। यस सुल्ताना। बहुत बहुत
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम सलाम। सुल्ताना, आपका नाम जब भी मैं लेता हूँ ना, मैं बहुत मोहतरम अंदाज से लेता हूँ, सुल्ताना।
सर नाम ऐसा है ना।
नहीं, नाम ऐसा भी हो, मेरी दादी का भी नाम है ना, तो मुझे बहुत इज्जत देनी पड़ती है। यस स्टार्ट। उनका नाम था सुल्ताना
सर
बेगम। आप
जी
सुल्ताना इकबाल है। यस प्लीज।
सर शी टीच का
शी टीचर्स का बुलेट इंग्लिश को बुलेट इंग्लिश बनाए ना आप लोग। इसको तो आप लोगों ने लगा गधे गाड़ी में बिठा कर देना, वो पहुंच रही है कोले तक। यस 1 से लेकर 22 तक फुल बुलेट हो जाए। यस प्लीज गो अहेड।
सर शी टीच, शी इज नॉट टीचिंग, इज शी टीचिंग, शी इज टीचिंग, she is not teaching, is she teaching, she has taught, she has not taught, has she taught, she has been teaching, she has been not teaching, has she been teaching, she taught, she has not taught, taught is taught, taught, she not taught, she has not taught, has she taught, she was teaching, she was teaching, she was not teaching, was she teaching, she has taught, she had not taught, had she taught, she had been teaching, she had been not teaching, had she been teaching.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes, Nadia, start please without wasting time.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
Yes, sir. She teaches. She doesn't teach. Does he teach? She teach. Sorry, her. Does she teach? She is teaching. She is not teaching. Is she teaching? Is she teaching? She has taught. She has not taught. She Has she taught? She has been teaching. She has not been teaching. Has she been teaching? He taught. She taught. She didn't taught. No, sorry. She didn't teach. Did he teach? Did she teach? She was teaching. She was not teaching. Was she teaching? She had taught. She had not taught. Had she taught? She had been teaching. She had not been teaching. Had she been teaching?
Very good, very good, very good. Zabardast. Thank you very much, all of you. Inshallah, see you tomorrow. अच्छा, मैं 2 ग्रुप्स बना दूंगा. अभी आप देखें, आज कुछ लोग ही बारी नहीं आई ना. मैं 2 ग्रुप्स बना दूंगा इक्वली 20-20 के. तो एक क्लास होगी अगले हफ्ते से पहले और एक होगी बाद में. मतलब क्लास 7:30 बजे शुरू होगी. 7:30 से. अच्छा, लेकिन भाई जिनकी स्पोकन पहले हो फिर वो पहले ले, ताकि सबको मौका मिले बोलने का. ठीक है ना. 7:30 से मैं अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में जो ना बनाऊंगा ग्रुप्स, या कुछ लोग मुझे बता दीजिए कि मैं भी पूछूंगा ना. ग्रुप्स 2 ग्रुप्स बनाकर दूंगा स्पोकन के, ताकि क्लास डिवाइड हो जाए. ठीक है ना. 2 हिस्सों में डिवाइड कर देंगे. ग्रामर मैं लूंगा 8:15 से 9. स्पोकन 2 हिस्सों में होगी. एक सर जावेद 7:30 से 8:15 देंगे और एक वो लेंगे 9 से 9:45. ठीक है बेटा, ठीक हो गया. अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. इंशाल्लाह सी यू टुमारो, सेम टाइमिंग, सेम चैनल. और कल आपका टेस्ट भी है. टेस्ट का लिंक सुबह 10 बजे आपके पास आ जाएगा. सर टेस्ट में क्या आएगा? ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स बेटा, ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स. जिसने ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स की फॉर्मेशन को पकड़ लिया बस वो कल चीता हो जाएगा. ठीक है ना. फुल टॉप करेगा पूरे पाकिस्तान में. देखते हैं कौन टॉप करता है कल. अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू.